How to fix error, something went wrong, please try again later in Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error message that says something went wrong, please try again later on Snapchat. So first, switch your LTE or your mobile data by turning off Wi-Fi. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there is any connection problem and it resolves it. You can also try turning on the airplane mode for 3 to 4 seconds and then turn it off. Now go ahead and open your system settings, or you can directly tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. From here, scroll down and tap on storage and tap on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that this will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. And on iPhone, you can simply go ahead and open general and then go to iPhone storage and upload the application. And another thing you can do is you can uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. And if it's still not fixed, try restarting your mobile device. And if that does not work, first stop this application and re-enable it again, and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app and you've set the battery to unrestricted or optimized. Hopefully this will fix the issue, and I hope you found this video helpful. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.